Here's integrated 3, it's problem 9-148. So it just wants you to solve for x. So we know that we can get the x down out of the exponent by logging both sides. So you do something like this. Log of 5 to the x equals log of 72. Then you could bring the x out front. And you can divide. So x equals log 72 over log 5, and you cannot you can't go 72 divided by 5 and then take the log of that number, because that defies the order of operations. You have to find out what this log is and find out what this log is and then divide. So on my calculator, the way I make that happen is I hit log of 72, and then what I just do is push the equal sign. And I know it's so this top part equals 1.857 blah, blah, blah. I don't bother writing it down. I'm just going to leave it in my calculator because my calculator has this little answer key thing. So I'm just going to leave it there, and then I'm just going to push divided by. See, it has answer divided by log 5. And I get 2.657, 2.66-ish. Let's see if they like that. Well, it's 2.657. Whatever I don't care how you round it. Or did it say we had to round it to a certain thing? No. Okay, so however you decide to do this, you have to take the log of this, and then whatever that is, divide it by the log of this. So I think that might be what's happening that would kind of sabotage your answers. So this one, you're just going to log both sides. So log. And then you can bring this out front. And you can divide both sides. And then you can find out what log 7 divided by log 2 is, and then divide that answer by 3. That's what I would do. I'd go log 7. You could also, maybe you could put some parentheses or something. Let's see what happens if I do it this way. I don't know if my calculator is going to know that I need the log of this divided by the log of this. Get that. And then I would divide it by 3 because of this 3 here. See, this is answer divided by 3. And I get the 0.93. So, yeah, so for my calculator, just now that you know what the proper answers are, see what you can do to your calculator, what keystrokes you have to use to be able to make your calculator follow the order of operations. This one, you're going to log both sides again. And so you'll end up with 2x plus 4 times log 3 equals log 17. Divide both sides by log 3. And you'll get 2x plus 4 equals log 17 over log 3. And then you can minus 4. On both sides. And then I would just put that in the calculator, and then I would divide it by 2 at the end so that you can account for that 2 right there. Go log 17. I always just push the equal sign. Divided by log 3. So now I know that that's what that fraction equals, and then I'll minus 4. and then I'll divide by 2. And I get and then this last one, I would divide out the 3 first. Oh, this one's a little different than the other ones. X to the 4th equals, would that be 50? So then I could just take the 4th root of both sides if my calculator has that kind of a key. So I think I do have a key like that. So I can just hit the 4th root of 50. Now you might not have the same keys on your calculator, so maybe you have to raise 50 to the 0.25 power. That would also work. 0.65, so 0.66 and around. Something like that.